Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials, the Oppo A5S and its original fast charger and cable. Plug the charger into a stable wall outlet. Do not rely on low-power USB ports. Once connected, make sure you close heavy apps, reduce screen brightness, and switch to airplane mode to cut network drain. These steps reduce load so more current goes to the battery, speeding the process. While you set this up, keep the phone on a hard, cool surface to avoid thermal throttling. Once done connecting, watch the status indicator for the fast charge icon to confirm proper negotiation. If you don't see it, reconnect the cable and try a different outlet. While charging, avoid gaming or streaming because active use forces the phone to split current between operation and charging, slowing fill rate. Make sure to keep the phone ventilated. If it becomes hot to the touch, unplug and let it cool, because excessive heat reduces charging efficiency and can trigger a protective slow charging behavior. To complete, you can unplug when the battery reaches 80 to 90% if you want longer-term battery health, otherwise charge to full. Make sure to disconnect gently and store the cable properly. If charging remains slow, try the original charger and cable with a different outlet and test a known good charger on your A5s to isolate the fault. If the phone never signals fast charge despite verified originals, a software reset or authorized service check may be required. This often resolves negotiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.